Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Symone, and on this channel I talk about all things finance related, be it budgeting, cash stuffing, saving challenges, you name it, it is happening over here. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. So today I wanted to introduce a new series to my channel. I haven't really finalized what I'm going to name it, but I'm leaning more towards supporting others and save. So let's get into it. As I get set up, I'll just kind of talk about what this series is pretty much about. With this series, I plan to source fun new challenges from other budget besties to kind of help me get to my saving goals. I'll just kind of share where I got them, whose Etsy shop I got them, because they're all Etsy purchases. So just in case you guys are interested in finding some new challenges for yourself, the best part about all these challenges are they are super manageable for various income, and that is a plus. Okay, so let's count how much we have and then we'll get into the saving challenges. So I have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay, so these are all mini saving challenges. Super fun, super easy, super manageable. Everything super about these challenges. You guys get the drift. So my first challenge is my $1 saving challenge. And at the end of it, I will save a total of $90. And this is from Sam's Budgeting Corner. And she has a YouTube channel. Love her. So hey girl, hey, thank you for this little cute saving challenge. Love it. So for today, I'm going to be putting $5 towards my $1 saving challenge. Okay, so let's grab a 5 and let's color in 5 shapes. I'm gonna go with a red. Let's do it. Okay, that is it. Moving on, the next challenge is called Tweet Tweet. And this one actually came in a package of 3. It was a 3 bundle. I'll show you guys what the other ones look like. And they look like this. And it came in a pack of 3. And these are from the Happy Mailbox Co. She also has a YouTube channel, so for each one of these challenge, I will get to save a total of $60. And in total, if I do all of the challenges, I believe it comes out to $180. For today, I am going to put $5 towards my Tweet Tweet challenge. So I'm going to color in number 2, other number 2 box, and then number 1. So that is $5. And I think by the time you know it, I will complete these challenges and move on. These are so fun. Little mini challenges, love them. My third on the docket is Roll and Strike. This is another fun one from Sam's Budgeting Corner here on YouTube. And for all these challenges, I will link them down in the description box just in case you guys want to go and check out their Etsy shop and just go over there and support. So let me just grab my dice for this one. And I actually saw her playing this one. I'm like, oh my gosh, that is so cute and fun. So I'm gonna use 2 dice for this one. So pretty much the instructions are on there. It says roll 1 dice. So let me just take away 1 because it says 1. Roll 1 dice, 1 die, strike out the number rolled, play until you can't strike anymore, color the remaining box and save that amount. Then move to the next box. So we're gonna work on the first one. let's get to it. Okay, so the first number that I striked out is number 3. So number 3 is out. Okay, let's try again. Number 1 is out. Okay, number 3 is already gone. I wonder if that means I save all of the rest now, or do I just keep going until... Oh my gosh, I keep getting that silly number 3. Oh my gosh, number 3 again. Sam, if I'm not playing this game right, let me know. Okay, number 2 is gone. Number 3 again. What is it with number 3? Okay, 6 is gone. Number 6 one more time. Number 2 is already gone. Watch me not play this thing right, but you know what? You live, you learn. Number 1 is already gone, so I need to either roll a 4 or a 5 to see which one is remained in. And it's just not working out. Okay, 4. The remaining number is 5, so that is $5 for roll and strike. And Sam, if I'm not playing this game right, just let me know, but I'm thinking this is how you play it. The next challenge is my Happy New Year. I'm a little late to the 2023 saving challenge, but you know what? Better late than never. All right, so the Happy New Year is from Budget Share Save, and she also has a YouTube channel, so go check her Etsy shop out, go give her a follow. And for this one, I'm going to put $5, and we are going to be coloring number 2 and number 3. Moving on, believe in yourself, and that is this one right here. It is also a dollar challenge, and the Believe in Yourself is from Coffee Love 07. Not sure if this Etsy shop has a YouTube channel, but I just came across the Etsy shop while browsing for other saving challenges. So for this one, I am going to put in $5 as well. I think I'm gonna color in some yellow. So let's put our $5 first. Right, there we go. I'm just gonna put that off to the side because it's kind of a snug fit in the envelope. So my other one is Bronze Goddess. Let me see how much I have left over. So I have 20 and 10, 40. Do I want to do this one? Let me get back to this one, the Bronze Goddess. Actually, you know what? I'll do Bronze Goddess. Let's do it. Let's put $5 in here. So Bronze Goddess is by Cash Envelope Club. Not sure if this Etsy shop has a YouTube channel, but I will tag the shop, and hopefully if they see it, they will let me know if they have a YouTube channel. So I'm going to color in number, how about we color in a whole bunch of ones and get them out of the way, the smaller numbers. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and $5. All right, moving on to this puzzle savings challenge, and this one is from Handy Printables. Okay, we're gonna put $5 in this one and color off 5 puzzle shape. Okay, all done with that. For my other challenges, which are super fun, I got some really cute challenges from two sister bees, and let me tell you, these ones are fun. These ones are super fun. They come with their own envelope. So this one, let me see. I purchased this one. So I just wanted to add a few board game to my saving collection. So I went on Two Sister Bees and they have so much fun challenges on there. It's unbelievable. Get it? Unbelievable. Anyways, just being corny. So the Tiki Bear challenge I'm going to do, and these ones are pretty much all freebies. Can you believe? Look how cute the freebies are. I cannot get over it. This one, I believe they reached 533 subscribers, so they gave away the freebie. And this is also another board game. It is the Spin to Win. No, this one's not the board game. I'm going to use this one for the board game challenge. So for this, let me just do them one by one so I don't confuse myself. All right, so let's get this one. This one is the 5 plus 33, and I'm going to put $5 in this one. And then color in 5 of these shapes. Okay, so there you have it. 5 of these ones done, and how cute. And these ones actually came in a pack of 2, so I'm going to try to tackle the dollar one first, and then after completing the dollar, I'm going to move on over to the $5 challenge, and that should be so much fun. And these are freebie, guys. Look how cute they are. Thank you, Two Sister Bee. So the other one that I'm going to do is this one. I only have $15 left, so let's see what we could do here, because I still want to do one more. So we're gonna just do one spin, and this is a freebie, guys. This is so cute. It's a freebie. Okay, so I have $1. Should I just put the $5 in and call it a day, because I don't want to overdo it? So we're just gonna put the $5 in for the Spin to Win. Cute. All right. And the final board game that I'm going to play is the Tiki Bear. So let's do this. So help meet my friend at the beach. Roll a dice and move X space, color the square, and save the amount. So let's do it. 5. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $3. Let's try again and see what we could do. Because I have 2 5s and I want to do the other one. You know what? Let's just put $5 in here. Let's color this in. We are right here. So $5 is for my Tiki challenge. And I'm gonna grab an envelope and try to get some change. Which one can I do? All right, let me get into my saving challenge binder and break this 10. We are not taking any chances. I just wanna save and not overwhelm myself. And these challenges are so small and manageable. All right, so Tiki Bear has $5, and that is all we're going to do for Tiki Bear. Okay, for the creme de la creme, after purchasing the Tiki Bear challenge, Two Sister Bee gave this one to me as a freebie. And guys, let me just tell you, look at them, so cute. And they're $5 challenges. I'm not sure how much I will save at the end. I'll do the math and then maybe put it somewhere up on the screen, but I'll try to complete all of them. But we're going to start off with one for now. As I complete each card, I'll just move on to the next one. So this was a freebie, and it was given to me on my birthday, which is so much fun. So this was my first birthday gift, guys. This freebie was my first birthday gift. So Two Sister Bees, shout out to you. Thank you for my first birthday gift. You know my birthday now, and I know my birthday now, so we'll just keep that between us. So let's save $5 towards my freebie and my birthday gift. And I love that each of Two Sister Bees challenge come with envelopes. They're super cute. So if you're just starting out with cash stuffing and you don't want to purchase a whole bunch of items just to kick things off, the challenges come with envelopes. All right, so let's color in a $5. Look at all the challenges I was able to complete with just $55, and I'm loving this new series that I'm going to be doing because it is going to help me so much. And the thing with doing small challenges, it kind of kickstarts things and it really motivates you because you're able to complete the challenges within a timely manner, and it will just motivate and encourage you to save a little bit more. So I love that for myself, and I love that for these mini challenges helping me to get to my destination. So this is my series, supporting others and save. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one, and go check out all the Etsy shops and my budget YouTubers that are here just doing it and helping others to save. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.